Lines and angles. Angle and its types. Introduction of angle, plane separation, interior and exterior of an angle, complementary angles, supplementary angles, linear pairs, vertically opposite angles. Angle. Student, as we know, an angle is the union of two non-collinear rays with a common origin. The two rays forming an angle are called the arms of the angle and origin is called vertex of the angle. We denote angle by sign. Therefore, it is an angle AOC. A is a measure of angle AOC. The way of writing measure of an angle is measure of angle AOC is equal to A. And an unit to measure angle is degree. We may have seen the types of angles. The angle of measure 90 degree is called right angle. The angle less than right angle is called acute angle. The angle greater than right angle is called obtuse angle. At last, the angle of measure 180 degree is called straight angle, plane separation. These are some points on plane X. This line L separates the plane into two parts. H1 and H2 are called half plane of the plane X and the line L is called the edge of the half planes. Here, points P and Q are on the same side of line L. Hence we say P and Q are in the same half plane. Points A and P are in the opposite sides of the line L as segment AP intersects line L. The half plane H1 containing point P is also called as P side of line L. The half plane H2 containing point A is also called as A side of line L. Interior and exterior of an angle. Suppose this is the angle PQR. To understand the region inside the angle PQR is called its interior and the region outside the angle PQR is called the exterior. Geometrically, we know that plane is a set of infinite points. Let an angle PQR lie on this plane and A, B and C are 3 points as shown. The point A is on P side of line QR as well as is on R side of line PQ. The set of all such points A is called the interior of an angle PQR. All points like B or C which are not in the interior of an angle PQR are called as exterior points. Points P or R lie on the arms of an angle. Hence, such points are neither in interior nor in exterior. Now let us study some more types of angle which are usually used in geometry. Complementary angles. This street light pole is perpendicular to ground. We can easily access that the pole is making an angle of 90 degree with the ground. Now, let us divide this 90 degree angle into two parts. These two angles are called complement of each other. The sum of measures of these complementary angles is always 90 degree. When the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, the angles are called complementary angles. The measure of angle PQR and angle XYZ are 35 degree and 55 degrees respectively, and their sum is 90 degree. Supplementary angles. These are two angles of measure 100 degree and 80 degree. The sum of measure of these two angles is 180 degree. If the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degrees, then we called one angle is supplement of other angle. These two angles are supplementary. Linear pair. Are you observing the seashore and the coconut trees? These coconut trees are making some angle with seashore planes. Now consider seashore as straight line and this tree is a ray. From this point of view, it will be a straight angle. And this tree divides straight angle into two angles, angle A and angle B. Each of these two divided angles is called as angle of linear pair. When linear pair formed, if one of them is acute angle, other will be obtuse angle. Two right angles can form linear pair. Two acute angles also cannot form a linear pair. One of the angle must be obtuse angle. Two obtuse angles cannot form a linear pair. One of the angle must be acute angle. Vertically opposite angles. Abha and Ashwin are watching rockets in the sky. Wow, it's so fun to watch them. Hey, look Ashwin, rockets crossed their path at one point. These paths are just like two intersected lines which mix some angles with each other. Angle A is opposite to angle B and angle M is opposite to angle N. Each opposite pair of angle is called vertically opposite angles, adjacent angles. Abha, observe this what I am doing, says Ashwin. Yes Ashwin, says Abha. I am open this cover page of book and hold just like this. This cover page making some angle with remaining part of the book, says Ashwin. Yes, Abha screamed. Now, if I lift this page, we can observe that there are formed two angles. These two angles are two parts of previous original angle formed by this page, says Ashwin. Yes, Ashwin, you are right, says Abha. Both angles have a common vertex, a common arm, but different interior points. We call such pair of angles as adjacent angles. Summary. In this subtopic we have learnt introduction of angle, plane separation, interior and exterior of an angle, complementary angles, supplementary angles, linear pairs, vertically opposite angles. So that is all about this topic. We will see pair of lines in our next topic. Till then, keep learning.